important video of this interview playlist. How to migrate a table from one location to another location in SQL. Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
How to migrate a table from one location to another. Remember, number 2, how to migrate a table from one schema to another. Then we learned how to store a table in D drive, how to move it to E drive, right? How to migrate a table from one location to another. How do we do that? Very simple process. Assume, for example, you have a database with a table. Table is in D drive. Now, you wanted to move this table to C drive. Assume. See, right now the table is created in a file group, accounts file group in D drive. Our requirement, how to move about table from D drive in real world, in job environment. Remember, drive will be mentioned with dollar symbol. D drive to C drive. Here comes the secret. To communicate with our TV at our home or office, we use remote, right? The remote of a table is index. Remember, index. TV is your table, remote is the index. Let me show you how and why on my screen now. How to move a table from D drive to C drive or one file group to another. Make sure on the target location there should be a file group. So primary on C drive. What we do, very simple. Create clustered index name on table name. Remember, the heart of the table, the life of a table is inside index. Remember that. Create clustered index name on table name. Required column on what? On target location. If it is C drive, that pertaining file group, like this. Primary is a keyword, so we have to include square brackets. It is a file group in this case. Regularly primary means keyword. It is now an identifier name of a file group. So create clustered index name on particular file group. Before that, let's verify SP help table name. First, let's verify the original location of the table. The output of SP help command gives you output gives you data located on file group accounts. Okay, please by heart these things will be helpful. Okay, data of this table located on file group accounts. Now what I do, create a clustered index. Where? On other file group, on primary file group. Okay, then back. Verify it now. It's done. Table got moved. Let me show you. See here. Primary. Right? That's what we require. Why primary? Because this primary file group is there in C drive. Right? This one. C drive. So this is how we move a table from one particular location to another. Observe carefully.